This is Cher. A while back, she discovered the tremendous value of using clay pebbles for her orchids and hydroponic plants. These marvelous creations have a porous structure that wick water through capillary action and also provide excellent drainage. Plants aren't waterlogged or overwatered. This removes a lot of worry and work for gardeners and helps create an ideal environment for healthier, happier plants. But Cher's experience wasn't always as happy as it is today. She started off with some cheap, imported clay pebbles that just about killed her orchids. A simple test showed the pH was sky high. That's when a friend working in aquaculture told her about the professional quality expanded clay pebbles by C's Garden. They're 100% natural expanded clay that is inert and pH neutral, ranging from 4 to 6 millimeters in size. The pebbles help create air pockets for plant roots, thus promoting robust root growth. Now Cher has the best of all worlds. Her plants grow naturally and freely. Water is absorbed, so her plants receive all the moisture they need even in her very dry desert climate. When used as a top layer, they keep soil from drying out quickly, or use them as a soil amendment to reduce compaction, add aeration, and provide drainage. Using clay pebbles are preferred over plain dirt and rocks. They prevent rotting, excess acidity, and soil pests that can destroy your plants or stunt their growth. C's Garden clay pebbles are sterile and free of weed seed contamination. You won't get toxins, harsh chemicals, or hazardous impurities in these superior quality pebbles. Maybe a little dust, so give them a quick rinse and they're good to grow. Cher also loves the way the expanded clay pebbles look. With their pleasing reddish-brown color and mostly round shape, they're quite decorative and attractive. Give your plants the treat they'll love. Organic gardening with expanded clay pebbles grow media from C's Garden. Available in regular or XL. Germinate, propagate, cultivate with C's Garden.